To begin copy trading, you will first need to create an account, and a link to do so can be found below, which also includes a discount on all trading fees. Once your account is set up, you have two options to initiate copy trading. If you already have the wallet address you'd like to copy, you can click the Copy Trade option. Then, create copy trade and paste the address into the platform. From there, you can select various parameters and confirm. Alternatively, if you don't have the address, you will need to find the one you wish to track. For example, you can browse through holders of a particular coin, select a wallet, and copy the address. This address can then be pasted into the copy trade platform, where you can set your parameters and confirm. It's also possible to click on an image next to the address, which will open a new page and allow you to initiate copy trading directly. Before doing so, however, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and choose a reputable wallet to copy trade, rather than selecting one at random. By following these steps, you can set up copy trading. It's essential to approach this process with caution and diligence to ensure the best possible outcomes.